Today, we're going to discuss an old masternode project that has recently had a new upgrade, and this one is going to be packed full of energy, supercharged like a battery. And like the Energizer Bunny, it's pink. No, I'm just kidding. It goes on and on and on, and well, you get it. Now, let's get it. BitSwap is the hottest new way to trade tokens. Crawling all the top decentralized exchanges, BitSwap will get you the very best price and value for your trades. BitSwap is changing the game. Try it now at bitswapdex.com. Welcome to BitBoy Crypto, the largest crypto channel in all of the interwebs. My name is Ben. Every day on this channel, I show you how to make money in crypto. If you like money in crypto, then make sure to hit that subscribe button for us. If you didn't catch my pun from earlier, I'm talking about Energi with the ticker NRG. First, a brief breakdown. Energi has been around since the summer of 2017 as a proof of concept idea founded by its CEO and founder, Tommy World Power. Energi is a fork of the Dash code, but not the blockchain. Energi started out utilizing proof of work consensus mechanism with an ASIC resistant algorithm called Energi Hash in 2018. The project later transitioned to a proof of stake consensus with a network of masternodes. Besides shifting to a masternodes based system, Energi added a self-funding treasury system and on-chain governance, which funds the project. Energi improved upon the Dash blockchain by allocating more percentage of staking rewards to their self-funded treasury. It's also important to mention that Energi did not hold an ICO. They've bootstrapped with their governance treasury monthly allocation, which was originally 40,000 NRG. The following image explains Energi's treasury from its white paper. Energi stands on 4 pillars. These are smart contracts, governance, treasury, and masternode staking. Energi is now in its 3rd generation of its software. In Gen 2, it would take approximately 2 years to gain another masternode. With Gen 3, operators will be able to gain an additional node in under 3 months because only 1,000 NRG is required to stake. Although you can stake with any amount from 1,000 NRG to 100,000 NRG in increments of 1,000. Energi has a 2 megabyte block size and a 1-minute block time, which allows for quick transactions and low fees. Further, the more masternodes there are, the more scalability grows. Energi has also included a community-based governance model where any stakeholder can submit a proposal for consideration to be voted upon. Another feature that Energi is widely known for is its freeze function, which allows a user to send funds in 3.5 days as a security measure to prevent hackers and recover funds. This is something that no other blockchain offers to my knowledge. Many in the crypto community are probably going to complain about this, but let's be honest. How many times have you sent your funds to a contract address or the wrong address altogether? I know I have. I'm actually still thinking about that several $1,000s of Axie Infinity that I sent into the dreaded smart contract black hole a while back. I wonder how much all that is worth now. But I digress. We have more to talk about regarding a fresh new product on Energi called EnergiSwap, decentralized exchange powered by the Energi blockchain. EnergiSwap is based on a modified version of the Uniswap protocol. EnergiSwap gives users an unparalleled decentralized trading experience with low gas fees and industry-leading security and support, which is unrivaled. EnergiSwap will have 180 plus assets with strong liquidity available. EnergiSwap offers the following benefits from being a part of the Energi ecosystem. It has dedicated security from the Energi Defense and its investigative arm, the Energi Bureau of Investigations, or the EBI, built to protect the community from hackers, scammers, and other bad actors. There's 24/7 support from the Energi support team. Then there's the benefits for Energi's coin. Energi is used to add liquidity and acts as the governance token for EnergiSwap. This increases the utility for Energi and will be a major driver of liquidity. EnergiSwap currently has the highest Energi liquidity as compared to any other exchange, with roughly $7 million locked up. Besides the EnergiSwap, there will also be a dApp that bridges the Ethereum and Energi blockchains in the near future. This will allow users to easily move assets from the Ethereum blockchain onto the Energi blockchain for use in EnergiSwap. Bridged assets will also benefit from Energi's unmatched security, including a balanced alert system that allows users to flag theft and recover lost funds in some cases. So let's jump into the tutorial on how to use EnergiSwap. In this example, we will be swapping ADA for Energi. Yes, you heard me right. EnergiSwap allows for cross-chain swaps among numerous blockchains. If you've been in the crypto space for a while, you might notice that EnergiSwap looks a lot like Uniswap. The only difference is Energi offers interoperable cross-chain swaps. The Uniswap doesn't offer its users. All right, so as you guys can see here, EnergiSwap, it does definitely look kind of similar to Uniswap in terms of the way it's laid out. Of course, it has a logo, Energi, cryptocurrency for world consciousness. You go to DeFi, and then you go to EnergiSwap. It's going to take you to the actual app, and this is where the relevance to Uniswap really starts coming in. You see the connect to wallet up at the top. You see the MetaMask at the top. You can click connect wallet here on the app itself and then click MetaMask. Currently, it's the only option to connect. So you just click on this here, and of course, it's going to take you to your MetaMask. Or you can go up to MetaMask as well, and you can click here, and you can see where we hover over that it has access to the site. So here we are. We're on the Energi mainnet. So you've got to make sure to be on the Energi mainnet. All you got to do is go down here and go to settings, click settings, then go down here to networks, hit add and edit custom RPC networks, click the arrow, and then come down here to the Energi mainnet. Hit add network. And this is where you're going to put in all the details to actually add the Energi mainnet the first time. So once you get it added, it's going to appear as an option, and then all you have to do is select it. But if you go here and you go to additional resources, go down to help desk, click on help desk. It's going to take you to this page. Scroll down the page to the EnergiSwap box. You're going to click the box here. It's going to take you to this specific support page. Then you're going to come here to how to use EnergiSwap on mainnet. Click that. You're going to come over here, scroll down the page through some of the MetaMask details, and it's going to bring you out about pretty significantly down the page. It's 1.1.44. And it's going to explain to you all the details for how to add this. You're going to copy and paste the following information, and you're going to put it inside of the your MetaMask. So open your MetaMask, back up, click the icon over there, go back to settings. We're going to go through what we just went through a second ago. Click networks, add network, and then you're going to just copy and paste this stuff in here. So the network name, Energi mainnet, you're going to paste that in. Your RPC URL, you're going to paste that in. Your chain ID, you put that in. Currency symbol, of course, is NRG. And then for the block explorer URL, you're going to put explorer.energy.network in that format, as you can see here on the screen. And at this point, we're going to go back to EnergiSwap. So here we go. We're back on here. Now we're going to hit Connect Wallet. We're going to click MetaMask. We're already going to be on the right network. You're going to hit Next. And yes, you do want to connect. And there you go. You see the Energi going over the little fox. That's how you do it. All right, so now we're going to hit Select Token, and we're going to talk about what we want to trade. So we're actually going to show you guys how to trade Cardano on the Energi mainnet. So you're going to want to put however much of your balance you're going to want to trade. We're going to actually put in 50, which is half of our balance. There's going to spit out 60.6 ADA. You're going to make sure that the price and the price impact and everything's good. Then hit Confirm Swap. There we go. Now we're going to have to wait for our confirmation, of course. We're going to have to, confirm on MetaMask here. You guys can see the gas fee. It's extremely low. So you're going to hit Confirm. And now the transaction has been submitted on the Block Explorer. So you guys can see up here at the top, It is pending. You guys should be used to seeing stuff pending if you guys have used MetaMask, but look how fast that was. EnergiSwap, definitely very quick. We swapped 50 Energi tokens for 60.6 ADA, and now we got ourselves some Cardano. All right, what did you think about that tutorial, and what do you think about Energi? Do you plan to pick up a bag? Should I do a more in-depth tutorial on the Energi network? Let me know down below in the comments section. Also, if you want to join the Energi community, you can do so by joining in the Discord or Telegram groups linked in the description below. And a big thank you to Energi for supporting the channel by sponsoring this video, but all the information and research was done by my research team. And we feel like this is still a project that's older, has stability, and is one worth looking into. That's all I got. Be blessed. BitBoy out.